Viviana, and today I really want to put my hair away. However, I feel like the hairstyle I'm feeling for today is more summer appropriate. Am I the only one who feels like summer never come this year? It's like it was March, my blink, and it's October. So what I'm thinking is to put 4 jumbo cornrows in my hair. And I mean, I would use my own hair, but I want the braids to touch my butt. Yeah. So I have here some Realistic, that's the brand, Reggae Marley braid in the color M1B 350. And for regular people who don't understand what the color M1B 350 mean, it's just black and burgundy mixed together. It's a little darker than my hair, but it should blend well. But we still get to that part. Let's first blow dry our hair and yeah, get it ready for the braiding process. If you're not new to this channel, you know me. I don't usually blow dry my hair for anything, alright?
Say it with your chest!
For anything. However, today, I want to blow dry my hair and have a easier life, alright?
A few moments later.
I mean, I have bought textured hair, so it's not like it's the straight conical on hair, so that I need my hair to be straightened to blend it. You see, I entered this video saying I'm going to blow dry my hair. I even have my blow dryer right here, ready to go, but I don't think I need it. I don't think I need it. We're going to do this style first without blow drying our hair, and then we'll see if it's necessary. If I want to do it later. If I want to. Guys, I really don't have nothing against a blow dryer, you know. I just don't think it's necessary. I really do think after I detangle and moisturize my hair, it should be fine. It should be fine. It should be fine. Yeah. Although my hair don't dry, but whenever you're doing a protective style, always moisturize your hair. Always moisturize your hair. Moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. Seal, seal, seal. Moisturized hair is healthy hair that doesn't break. And so that my braid turns out nice and neat, I'm going to be adding some Eco Styler gel to the section. Don't be shy. Add that gel. Alright, so I don't know why I'm kind of nervous. I haven't done feeding braids for a while now, so I'm just depending on muscle memory to get through this, okay? It's not as if I'm learning a whole new braid, alright? I just need to remember how to do this. So I have sped up this footage 10 times the actual speed. But for those who are actually curious as to how fast I'm actually moving, yup, this is the actual pace. Not in slow motion, actual. Actual. Thicker. I want it to look thicker. So I have been adding only one strand of hair every time I'm doing the feed in, but since it's not looking as thick as I would want it to look, I'm gonna start adding in 2 pieces of hair instead. But on the day I'm actually trying to get my hair to look thick, it's not looking as thick as I want it to look. But let's carry on. So now the mission is to try and get my braid all the way down. Lord have mercy, I could have put on better shots. All the way down to my butt. But that alone not even enough. I want to be a little more extra, so I was sent this photo from, no, not from Cardi B. I was sent this photo of Cardi B in my DMs several times. It's one of my love, you know. I don't know who keeps sending me these ideas. My love, you know. And this was the inspiration for my braids today. So I am going to be adding some scarves. We call them kerchief or rag, or just kerchief. Yeah, I'm holding my hand here the entire time while I explain this. So there's several different color kerchief in Cardi B's hair. There's pink, green, what that, silver, gray, purple, yellow, and she ended off with pink again. But I went to the wholesale and decided to only buy 2 colors. Yeah, pink and blue. I'm not really sure how this is gonna work, but we're gonna make it work. Alright, we're gonna figure it out. Alright, I think I'm gonna treat it like a strand of hair. So just as how I would have added hair to the braid. So adding it like that. Alright, no. So I'm feeling out for the thinnest strands that I have right now. And I'm gonna add the scarf to the thinnest strands of hair. So the scarf is looking too thick for this braid. Alright, hold up. I am going to gonna cut this. Yep. Them cheap. Going to just cut them in half, and hopefully the cloth will be thinner to really blend in with the braid. Alright, I have to catch back the direction that I'm going to the plant. Let's add this. Okay. That feels better. Give it a nice tension. Ooh. I'm gonna add the other piece of scarf, the other half. Am I seeing the scarf enough? You're not seeing the scarf enough. Huh. Wait, Cardi. Oh, yeah. I mean, the scarf is kind of hidden. It's not like scarf in her picture. You're probably not doing anything wrong. Just gonna take a little more care into trying to bring the scarf to the front of the braid. Alright, let's add more hair because it's getting short. We're trying to touch her ass with this. Cardi B has it touching her kneecaps, but I don't want to go that far with it, okay? So lessons from this braid. For the next one, I'm gonna start the scarf from right at the end of the plait. Yeah. So far I've been using 1 pack of hair per braid. So for this last braid, I'm going to be using blue. We're not done yet. Whoa, I couldn't. But we're not done yet. We don't finish as yet. It's like something you have to do after getting braids, okay? It's like to finish off the hairstyle. Just pull it with mousse. Okay, I think that's enough. Just right there. Okay, enough now. Now let's tie it down and allow it to set. I'm so freaking excited. I feel like Insta baddie. Like all these hairstyles I've been doing, like making me feel all edgy lately. Girl. Honey. Yes. Anyway, beauties, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and this simple protective style. Well, sorry. Simple if you can braid. But if you can't, it's not impossible to learn. I know this wasn't a tutorial for learning it, but yes. Yes, honey. She's a goodie. She's a goodie. She's a goodie. I just want to do this. That's all I want to do. That's all I want to do. Anyway, beauties, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to give me a thumbs up and also share the video. Thank you. If you're new here, I understand you're going to need to get a little more familiar with Viv before you decide to subscribe, because subscribing is a commitment between you and I. So what I'm going to ask you to do is to check the iCards for more of my videos so you can watch more, get more familiar with my channel, and then after like the second or the third video, you should realize by then that, you know, you belong here, you're welcomed here. Yeah. And it just makes sense to subscribe. Okay, beauties, thanks again for watching. Later. Mwah. Oh, come on, girl. You need to be inspired by somebody else other than Cardi by now, don't it?